Hello, in this short video I'm going to solve the following problem for you. Differentiate the following function. Pause the video and give it a try. The answer to the problem is y prime equals 1.5 square root of x minus 1 over 2 square root of x minus 1. Okay, as you see, this function is the product of two functions, but because the product rule is not part of the Mathematics 3C course, I will solve it using expanding this expression first. By expansion means I multiply x here, and then after that minus 1 here, minus 1 here. So the function will simply be y equals to x square root of x minus square root of x plus 1. Okay, but it is not ready for differentiation yet. I have to fix this part. X square root of x can be written as x times x to the power of 1/2. Then I would write x, I add the exponents. The exponent of x is 1. It will be added to 1/2. It becomes 3/2. Okay? But for the rest of it, I will not do any changes because for square root of x, I have the formula in my head. Okay, so the derivative of this function is the derivative of the first one minus the derivative of the second one minus the derivative of the third one, and finally the derivative of the last one. The derivative of the first one will follow this rule. X to power a prime is a x to power a minus 1. So here 3/2 goes down and the power will be reduced by 1. So the answer will be 3/2 x to the power of 3/2 minus 1, which is 1/2. The derivative of x is just 1, so it becomes minus 1. The derivative of a square root of x is 1 over 2 square root of x, but I have a minus sign before that, so I put a minus sign. But 1 is a constant, so its derivative is 0. So now let me organize it a little bit. So instead of 3/2, I write 1.5, and x to power 1/2 can be written back into the form of a square root x. And then I prefer to write this one as the second term and minus 1 as the last term. Okay, and this is your derivative. I hope the video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.